To achieve environmental sustainability in the craft sector, an engaged and a participatory environment is required, with benchmarks and standards adapted to the handicraft sector and an enabling system for the crafts enterprises or producer groups to identify issues in their production setup, measure sustainability performance with the green standards, manage their own sustainability practices, use a green certification to promote their environmental sustainability. This certification process will consist of a number of steps. Say, we take a case of block printers of Rajasthan. Vishnu Pandey from Sanganer makes beautiful hand block printed textiles. He, as a conscious producer, applies for Craftmark Green. Once he fulfills the eligibility requirements, he fills up a form detailing his own production practices and processes. He states his handmade processes of production, use of non-hazardous dyes, use of common facility for washing and effluent treatment, and efficient use of energy in his production unit. A third party engaged by ICA then goes and verifies his production setup and facilities he uses. Based on simple observable indicators, random product samples and water sample are also picked up for lab testing. After the verifier submits data and lab testings are completed, a consultation with an expert group may be carried out. Results are then declared to Vishnu Pandey. Since he fulfills all essential criteria, the certification is awarded to him. He is now a Craftmark Green certified member. However, the recommendation stated that his packaging needs to be improved, since he was found to be using non-recyclable plastic bags. Vishnu Pandey also expresses his plan to use solar energy in his production setup. He also knows that he can get further services from Craftmark Green membership, such as assessment of sustainability practices and recommendations for upgrading them, facilitation for setting up of effluent treatment and energy solutions, linkages to financial institutions for supporting certification costs, as well as capital for setting up better sustainability processes and production setup, linkages to government schemes, improved dyeing training, design and product development trainings, business skill development, production and inventory management training, branding and promotion for certified green enterprises through various media, direct market linkages. Site audit will be carried out during his certification renewal. Had Vishnu Pandey not fulfilled the essential criteria, he could also approach ICA for further consultations and planning for adopting eco-friendly processes.